Hello friends, welcome to teaching channel. Today's my topic is related on brainy Vedic maths. I will disclose the Vedic maths tricks which will help the children who are studying in 3rd standard, 4th standard, 5th standard, and they will go very fast that way. So today's topic is multiply any number with 5. You can multiply any number with 5 with a very easy tricks. And the rule is you have to make half the main figure. You have to make half the main figure and add 0 in the right hand side of the answer. So our first example is 7 multiplied by 5. It's a table. So child can they can answer very easily. 7 multiplied 5 is 35. 9 multiplied 5 is 45. Now we will go further more. 44. 44 multiplied by 5. So it will be little bit difficult for them. So the trick is you have to make the half the main figure. Main figure is 44. You have to make the half. Half of the 4 is 2. Half of the 4 is 2. So 2 and you have to write down 0 at the end of the answer. Right hand side of the answer. So 45 multiplied by 5 is 220. 44 multiplied by 5 is 220 because we have made the half the main figure, or second way divided by 2 the main figure. Now we will go on 68. 68 multiplied by 5. So which is the main figure? Main figure is 68. So make the half of 68. Half of 6 is 3. Half of 8 is 4. So 34 plus you have to add 0. The answer will be 340. Very easy. You can do within a second. The third one is 246 multiplied by 5. 246 multiplied by 5. It is a 3-digit number. Above 68 is 2-digit number. So we will go on further higher. So 3-digit number is 246. Half of 2 is 1. Half of 4 is 2. And half of 6 is 3. So 1, 2, 3. And you have to write down 0 on the right hand side of the answer. So your answer is 1230. Another one is 646 multiplied by 6. 646 is a 3-digit number. You have to make the half of this figure. First of all, you have to try this way. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. And half of 6 is 3. 23, and you have to add 0 on the right hand side of the answer. So 4230 is the answer. It's a very easy, right? Now we will go for 4 figure number. Okay. 2468. 2468. 2468 multiplied by 5. And what is the rule? You have to make the half the main figure. So half of 2 is 1. Half of 4 is 2. Half of 6 is 3. And half of 8 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to add 0. So that is the answer. Right? Now we go little bit difficult. So the another example is 5456 multiplied by 5. 5456 multiplied by 5. Now you make the half of 5, not possible. Half of 4, possible. Half of 5, not possible. Half of 6, possible. So what you will do, you have to divide this figure with number 2. So 2 ones are 4. carry forward number 1 and 14. 2 sevens are 14. Again 2 ones are 4 and 1 and 6. 2 eights are 16. So 1 7 1 8 and you have to add 0. Don't forget to put 0 at the end of the answer, right hand side of the answer. So if it is not divided easily, then you have to division with 2. So you will get the half of this figure. And the last one is 6 7 8 8 multiplied by 5. Now you have to just check. You can make half of 6, yes. You can make half of 7, no. You can make half of 8, yes. You can make half of 8, yes. So, but because of 7, we have to divide it by 2. So 2 3s are 6. Again 2 3s are 6 and 1 carry forward. 2 9s are 18 and 2 4s are 8. So 3 3 9 4 and you have to add 0. So the answer will be 3 3 9 4. So is it not easy? It's a very easy. You can do it within a second. It is faster than a calculator. Okay. Now that same thing we have learned divided by 5. Now we will learn multiply by 5. Now we will learn divided by 5. Okay. So in this, the trick is we have to now divided by 5. Before that we learn multiply by 5. Divided any number with 5. So the rule is you have to multiply the main figure with 2. That means make it double. In the multiply you have to make it half the main figure. In the division you have to double the main figure. That is the difference. So we will go according to example. So 2 2 0 divided by 5. So you have to double the figure. Double of 2 is 4. Double of 2 is 4 and 0. So the answer, you have to take one number. After first right hand side first number, you have to make a point. So the answer will be 44.0. 44.0. 44 and just now there is no value of 0. So answer is 44. Right? Here you have to make a decimal point after the right hand side first figure. Only one figure you have to, before one figure you have to put a decimal, like 44.0, that is like this, 44.0, that is the answer. The another example is 432 divided by 5. 432 divided by 5. The rule is double the figure, double the main figure. In a division you have to make double the main figure. So double of 4 is 8, double of 3 is 6 and double of 2 is 4. Now you have to make a space after last right hand side first number. So the answer is 864. Now your answer will be 860.4. Right? You have to put a decimal point after the last number, last one number. The answer will be 86.4. Now we will go furthermore. 762 divided by 5. Now what you will do, 7, you have to double the figure. So here you have to exactly double the figure. 2 double of 2 is 4, double of 6 is 2, carry forward number is here, and double of 7 is 14 plus 50, right? When you double it, you have to start from the right hand side. Double of 2 is 4, double of 6 is 12. 2 is here and carry forward number will be here. Double of 7 is 14 plus 1 is 1520. After the right hand side first number, you have to put a decimal point. So your answer will be 152.4. That is the answer of this sum. Now 344 divided by 5. Now try to do it very easily. 334 divided by 5. So double of 3 is 6, double of 4 is 8, double of 4 is 8. Now from the right hand side first figure, after that you have to put the decimal point. Now your answer will be 68.8. 68.8. Further, 462 divided by 5. In a division you have to double the figure. So double of 2 is 4, double of 6 is 12. Well, 2 will be here and carry forward number will be here. Double of 4 is 8 and carry forward number is 9. So 924, the figure you got after doubling it. Now you have to put decimal point here. So this 5 is wrong. 92.4. This one is a wrong thing. Then 732 divided by 5. Double of 2 is 4, double of 3 is 6 and double of 7 is 14. Right. From the right hand side last figure, after last figure you have to put decimal point 146.4. Then ahead 921 divided by 5. Double of the main figure is 1. Double of 1 is 2, double of 2 is 4 and double of 9 is 18. So 184.2 is your answer. You have to just put a decimal point here. And the 868 divided by 5. Double the figure. Double of 8 is 16, carry forward number will be here. Double of 6 is 12 plus carry forward number is 13. So 3 will be here and carry forward number will be here. And double of 8 is 16 plus carry forward number 1 is 17. So 173.6 is your answer. Right. So you have to just taking care when you double the figure. Okay. Make a practice with the number of given. So 6951 divided by 5, 2212 divided by 5. So if you double the figure, double of 1 is 2, double of 5 is 10, carry forward number will be here, double of 9 is 18 plus 19, 9 and carry forward number will be here, and double of 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So the answer will be little bit longer, but still you have to put a decimal point from the right hand side after right hand side first number. Okay, after first number of the right hand side. So that way you practice this and mentally try to do it mentally and try to do with a easy figure. Okay, and you make a fun with your friends also, and you will also enjoy. You will enjoy and your friend will also enjoy. This is a funny trick and easy trick, and you can do it very easily. Okay, and for all Vedic mathematics, the mental practice is very needed. So not make only fun, but practice. Okay, so I hope you like the video, and if you like it, then subscribe it and share it. Thank you very much.